In this video, I will take a close look between GameSir X2s and the X2 Lite. The X2s is the more premium option between the two. One of its standout features is the Hall effect joysticks. Unlike traditional sticks, these use magnets to track movement, which means they are highly resistant to stick drift and offer a much smoother feel over time. The build quality also feels more robust with a classic color scheme that many retro fans will appreciate. On the other hand, we have the X2 Lite. This controller is built for maximum portability and value. It is lighter in the hand, making it ideal for long sessions on the go. While it takes a more minimalist approach to its materials, it still manages to provide a responsive and clicky button feel. However, you will notice that the X2 Lite lacks the Hall effect sensors found in its more expensive sibling. If you are someone who plays competitive shooters or precise platformers, that extra precision on the X2s is definitely worth the small price jump. But if you just want a simple and effective way to play your favorite RPGs during your commute, the Lite version offers an incredible experience for its price. Pick the X2s for durability or the Lite for portability.